In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double opt-in for your Mailchimp audience. Double opt-in means every new subscriber must confirm their email address before they're added to your list. This simple change can dramatically improve list quality, reduce spam signups, and protect your sender reputation by ensuring only people who truly want your content make it onto your list. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. Once you're in, look along the top menu and click Audience. This is the hub for everything related to your contacts. If you manage multiple audiences, make sure the correct one is selected before you continue, because the setting you're about to change applies to the current audience only. Inside your chosen audience, find and click Settings. This area controls defaults and compliance-related options that affect how people join your list. Scroll down the page until you see Form Settings, sometimes labeled as Audience-Wide Defaults. Form settings control how sign-up forms behave, including what information is collected and how subscriptions are processed. Within this section, locate the email opt-in settings. You'll likely see that it's currently set to Single Opt-in, which means people are added to your list immediately after submitting a form. To improve accuracy and filter out typos and bots, click Edit beside this setting. In the options that appear, choose Double Opt-in. With double opt-in turned on, anyone who signs up will receive a confirmation email. They'll need to click the confirmation link before they're officially added to your audience. Until they confirm, they'll remain in a pending state and won't receive your campaigns. After selecting double opt-in, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. The new setting is now active for this audience. From this point forward, every new subscriber will need to confirm their email address before they show up as subscribed. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. Consider testing the flow by signing up with a secondary email address to see exactly what your subscribers experience and to verify the confirmation email arrives as expected. Keep an eye on any pending contacts. If people aren't confirming, your confirmation message may need clearer language or better expectations on your sign-up page. And remember, enabling double opt-in can slightly reduce the number of immediate signups, but the trade-off is better engagement, higher deliverability, and fewer complaints in the long run. If you manage multiple audiences, repeat these steps for each one where you want confirmation required. That's all you need to enable double opt-in in Mailchimp and keep your list clean and reliable.